Hey you guys, we're going to go over how some affiliates are earning up to $100,000 per month with the Temu affiliate program, and I'm going to give you some free strategies in this video on how you can promote the affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs. And the Temu affiliate program is one of the best affiliate programs in the world. It pays $5 per app install, up to 20% commission, and it's two-tier, which means if you refer affiliates and they generate sales, you'll get a commission off their sales. The minimum payout is $20. It pays out via PayPal or credits. The company launched in 2022, and they are already the 48th biggest website in the entire world, and that is mostly because of their affiliate program. And this is their website right here. So you can shop for online goods, and they have many different categories: home and kitchen, women's clothing, women's shoes, men's clothing, sports, jewelry, accessories, toys, games, automotive, etc., etc. And one of the cool things about the affiliate program is it's super easy to sign up to. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And you can offer people a $100 coupon bundle just by clicking the link. So they're incentivized to click your link because they'll get a discount. And this is their affiliate dashboard right here. I will leave a link down below in the description. You literally just put your name and your email and you sign up and you're in the dashboard. There's no long approval process, no nonsense like that. And they give you a $2 bonus when you sign up. And they also give you a lot of referral benefits. Like I said earlier, you can share a $100 coupon bundle. You can go ahead and just copy the link, copy the text if you want. And you can also give people 30% off. You can give free gifts. You can give exclusive deals and much more. And when people download the application, you'll earn $5. And you'll earn up to 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of the person who downloaded the app. The commissions are for referrals in these 12 countries, so the users need to either come from Australia, Colombia, Canada, Chile, Japan, Mexico, Malaysia, New Zealand, Peru, the Philippines, Korea, and the USA. And they also have a lot of referral races and bonuses where you can earn up to thousands of dollars and you're competing with other affiliates. And one of the other cool things is here on the right side when you sign up, if you have a TikTok account or YouTube account, etc., you can sign up with that account. It takes them a little bit to review it. They haven't reviewed my channel yet, but you can get up to a $300 bonus for having a big social media account. If it's a small account, you'll get paid less. If it's a big account, you can get up to $300. And you can also refer affiliates. So look how cool this is. So you can make 20% secondary two-tier commissions for 60 days on the affiliates you refer. And you can also refer influencers, and when they connect their social media account, you can get up to $50. And when an affiliate a two-tier affiliate gets their first sale, you'll get a $5 commission bonus. And they also show you some ways to promote the affiliate program. And these are pretty good, but I'm going to show you some better ways at the end of this video, which I think will make more money. So you can submit your coupon code to all these different websites. You can submit to all these different Facebook groups. You can also publish it on different sites, and they give you all these sites that you can publish it on. You can easily send this link to your friends via email or on X or text message, Facebook, etc. You can add a link to your bio. And this is also a way to make money with the affiliate program. So up here in the dashboard, we're going to go ahead and click Pick Items. And that's going to bring us to a page like this, and we can search for items, we can go in different categories, we can break it down by price, but all you need to do is click this little heart where it says pick, and then on the sidebar, it will add all your picks right here, and you can click the little share button, and you can either save this image or you can share the text. And then that way you can share specific items, which may be a better way for you to promote the affiliate program, and you can earn commissions like that. So now let's go over some key strategies on how you can make money on the Temu affiliate program. So one way that a lot of YouTubers are doing it is they're just buying a bunch of cheap items, sometimes, items that are only $1. And then in their description, they're reviewing all the items, and then they have links, and then when people sign up, they're going to start earning a lot of commissions. When people download the app, they're going to earn commissions. And I know in Temu's affiliate dashboard, they tell people to share your link in all these Facebook groups. But if you want to make even more money, then it's a good idea to create your own Facebook group. So you're the administrator, and that way you can put up a banner and you can earn a lot more commission than just being one of the thousands of people in the group sharing it. When you can control the group, you can make a lot more money. Another way people are making a lot of money with this affiliate program is by doing videos about the affiliate program and signing up affiliates and influencers, because it's a 2-tier affiliate program. So if you can sign up affiliates or influencers, you're going to make a lot of money off their work. And so that's an absolute key strategy if you want to make a lot of money off this affiliate program. And this is their YouTube channel right here. And they talk about how some affiliates, can earn up to $100,000 a month. And this has become one of the biggest websites and biggest affiliate programs in the world in a very short period of time, because it's an absolutely great affiliate program and anyone can sign up. There's no approval process, and they show you how you can get started right away. So you can literally click the link down below and you can start being part of the affiliate program within minutes. So I think this affiliate program has a lot of potential. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch, where we list the best affiliate programs for free. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and thank you for watching.